guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be updating you on my Pan That Face palette. So if you want to see how I did, what progress I made, or if I finished one product, I didn't, but you know, if you were wondering, I didn't. If you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's open it up, and this is what the palette looks like now. As you can see, I expanded my pan on the gold highlighter, and I definitely got a lot more use out of the rose highlighter, which I use as a blush. But let's get into the numbers, and also I will show progress pictures while I'm talking about it. So shade 1, which is the gold highlighter, I had used this highlighter 16 times over the last month. I did already have a pan on this particular shade, but I can see that I definitely expanded on it. I think next month, depending on how I get on, I might repress it after the next update, but we'll see in December how it's all looking. In terms of the rose highlighter, this is a little bit more tightly pressed, and this is the brush that I am using for this particular blush. And I can see a little bit, maybe not a dip, but I can see a lot more wear on this particular blush. But I think it might take a while for me to hit pan, even though these pans are not deep whatsoever. So shade 2, I used this guy 13 times over the past month, so it's hard to gauge. I know for sure that in December, after the next update, I will be repressing that one because I use this fairly often. If I don't use it as my actual highlighter, I use it as my inner corner highlight, whereas this I use almost every time I do my makeup as my blush. But because the brush that I'm using is, you know, fairly big, it doesn't create much of a dip. So the progress is a lot harder to see. So my goals for next month is definitely to expand this pan right here to the point where I have to repress it. And on this guy, I definitely want to keep on working on this blush and potentially hit pan. Maybe I need to change my strategy and use a more dense brush to see a little bit more of a dip going on, but the brush that I'm using works fine. You know, it actually applies my blush in the right way. So I guess we'll see. Expand the pan and keep working on this one, and we'll see how we go. But yeah, I know this is these videos will be fairly quick because, you know, I am working on only 2 shades out of this palette, and you know, it's quite boring. Maybe not boring for you, but you know, it's nothing exciting because, you know, I've already hit pan on that and I'm waiting to hit pan on this guy. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.